Today we are checking out the Gazeled battery operated camping fan. Inside the box you will get the fan itself, a USB charging cable, and the instruction manual. Right away you can see this compact 5-inch fan is designed to be portable and easy to use whether you're indoors or outdoors. On the front of the fan you will find a display area along with the power button, timer button, and a speed control button. This fan features 3 different speed settings so you can adjust the airflow depending on your needs. On the back of the fan is the battery compartment where 4D-cell batteries are installed. Batteries are not included. The rear cover is easy to remove and reinstall for quick battery changes. To demonstrate the airflow strength, we tied lightweight strings to the front cover of the fan so you can actually see the movement and airflow at different speed settings. This was done strictly for demonstration purposes so viewers can see how much air this compact fan pushes. Even though it's small, portable fan, it produces a noticeable amount of airflow while still running quietly, making it for great personal cooling in a variety of situations. Now let's take a look at a few places where we've been using the Gazeled portable fan. First up, it's our back lanai, where it's great for relaxing outdoors and staying cool during warm evenings. Next, we have it running inside our office where the compact fits perfectly on a desk without taking up too much space. We also tested it on our boat where portable battery powered equipment can really come in handy while spending time on the water. And finally, we're using it inside our RV where quiet portable fan is always useful for travel, camping, and additional airflow. Whether you're relaxing on the lanai, working in the office, out on the boat, or traveling in the RV, the Gazeled portable fan gives you a simple way to stay cool wherever you go. With multiple speed settings, quiet operation, and battery powered portability, it's a convenient fan to keep close by for everyday use indoors and outdoors.